Hello. Today I'd like to speak to you about this application that WiseKey has put on the App Store for iPod Touch and for your iPhone. So the application is called WiseID Card and Password Wallet. It's now the new version of what was called WiseID before. The purpose of this is because data protection these days is really difficult. You have so many different accounts. You have your bank accounts, you have your email accounts, social networking accounts, and you have to remember different secure passwords for everything. Now this can be very complicated, and you may not use the most secure password for this. So what we've done is we've created an application which works on iPod Touch and on iPhones that allows you to store all of your passwords, all of these secure data elements, and access everything very simply and easily directly from your iPhone or your iPod Touch. The great thing about this application is you can then log on to all of your sites directly from this application. It opens up its secure browser. It already has your username and your password entered into its secure browser. So then you just log on directly to, for example, your email, to Facebook, to whatever it is you've entered into this application. And we've added some new features to it as well this time. And what we'd like to do is take you through some of the features and show you a little bit more about the application now. See, we're opening the WiseID application. You're going to have to set your master password. So you need to make sure this is very strong and a secure password, because it's this that's going to protect all of your details in the future. So if your phone is lost, this means that nobody will be able to steal any of your data afterwards. And click on Set Password. And now at this stage you have to add the different categories and information that you wish to store in WiseID. Here you can click on the category you want, for example things. Now here you can put the name of the thing that you want to save. And you can say that the photo appears directly in WiseID. Afterwards you can click on Save. You can enter the serial number of the bottle in this case. To add something else, you can now go back to the main menu, click on Email for example. Here you can add your username. Afterwards you enter the password. So now you have to click directly on the icon for Hotmail and it'll take you straight to the Hotmail page. To add another category, for example a website, if you want to access your websites directly, just add the name of the website. Afterwards add in the URL. And here this is where you can add the icon for that website. And then you'll see it appears in your list. So here if you're entering your credit card details, you can enter in the name of the card holder, enter in the issuing bank. Afterwards you can pick the card type from the drop-down menu and enter the card number. And this is then the short card. This is the expiration date. There's other information that you can add in if you wish to store this in here, such as PIN code, etc. And next time you need to buy something online, you have your credit card details easily available for you. And you can have it displayed nicely on your credit card. Now as you see, you've got quite a few different items that we've saved here. You have the option of displaying them in the list by different type, or else you can now display them alphabetically if you wish. Here we have settings, so you can change your master password, or else you can change the inactivity timeout. Now this is important if you forget to turn off your phone, for example, when you leave it on the table. It means that nobody else will be able to access WiseID while you're not watching your phone. The application will automatically exit, and then the person will have to enter the master password again before accessing any of your data. So here you have the possibility of receiving a free digital ID for your phone, for you and your phone. you have the option to register for this, in which case you can enter your Certify ID logon ID if you already have one. Otherwise, if you don't have one, of course, you can go and create an account. If you wish to view your certificate, then you can just click on this and you'll see all of the different details about your certificate. So this is very important to ensure your digital identity while you're using your phone. You see the soccer has now appeared in the list, and now you can add the different fields that you wish to appear in this. So the field name that we're going to add in here is team. So afterwards we're going to put down Marseille because that's the team that we want to appear. Here we're adding another field, so for example next game in this case. And then we're adding the value, so we know it's date, and just select the date from the menus. And then this will be saved and you'll be able to see this underneath this category. So you can do this with whatever you want to add that's not in the list. And you'll have it appear in a nice simple form so you can find it easily. So this is how you can send comments to us here if you have any comments about the application or just want to tell us how great it is. And this will send us an email quite simply from your phone. So now we're going to show you how to actually delete a field. So here you can see you have a little minus sign, you can click on that and then click on delete, and then it will get rid of those details for you and everything else will remain. So that's a brief explanation of WiseID. You can download this from the App Store. It's for free as well, so we hope you enjoy downloading and using this application.